friends, in this session we study about the multiplication of real numbers. The multiplication of two whole numbers is equivalent to the addition of one of them with itself as many times as the value of other one. So I explained with an example. So look at here. Here you see there are 4 bags, each bag having 3 marbles. So we have to count down all the marbles. So we could count in this way. You could write in this way, like bags. You could write bag 1, bag 2, bag 3 and bag 4. Here you see this is our first bag, this is our second bag, this is our third bag and this is our fourth bag. So we have 4 bags are here, and now we have to calculate how many marbles are there. So we see the marbles in first bag is 3. So we could write in this way. There are 3 marbles, and second bag also 3 marbles, and third bag there are also 3 marbles, and there are also 3 marbles. If we add it, we get 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, which is 12. So this is actually, we could multiply this thing. We are adding the numbers with itself as many times as the value of other one. So we know that the value of other one is 4. So we are the 4 times we are adding this 3. So we could multiply in this way, 3 into 4, which is also 12. So in this way we use the multiplication of whole numbers. It's very easy. Or we could write also in this way, 4 into 3, which is also 12. Okay. So now I explain you about the multiplication of integers including negative numbers. Integers means the minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 and 4. So minus or negative numbers, whatever we have. Rational numbers and the fractions, which is 1 by 2, 3 by 4, minus 5 by 7, and this sort of fractions we could see how we multiply this. And the real numbers. So in the real numbers you will see all the numbers, the natural numbers, the whole numbers, rational numbers and integers. Every sort of numbers are there, and the irrational numbers are also there. We could multiply, how we multiply the irrational numbers also. So it's defined by the systematic generalization of this basic definition. So we see how we multiply two integers. First of all, I explain you the symbol what we get here. If we have minus 3, we have to multiply with 4. So here you see the symbol of 4 is positive. The plus sign is here, and here is negative sign. So we have the sign convention. We know that. I explain you. If we have to multiply the same symbols, same signs, we get always plus. If there is plus, multiply with plus, we get plus. If we have opposite signs, one is negative and other one is positive, we always get the minus sign here. And the result also we get here, plus into minus is also minus. So this is the sign rule we have to follow here. So it is minus and plus, that the opposite signs are there. So we get here is equal to minus, plus, minus, minus. So 3, 4 times 12. So in this way you could write this. If you have to multiply minus 5 into minus 2, so both the signs are same. So we get the positive sign, minus, minus, plus. So we get the positive sign here, and 5 2 times, which is 10. So in this way, if we have to multiply 3 into 4, both having the same positive sign, the same plus sign, so we get 4 into 3, which is 12. So if we have like this, minus 7 into 2. So here the opposite signs are here. So minus, plus, minus, so we get minus 14 here. So this is the way how we multiply the integers. So we have to keep this rule of multiplication of symbols, so multiplications of signs in our mind, and then we have to multiply the numbers. Now we see how we multiply the rational numbers or the fractions. So I explain you the fractions, how we multiply the fractions. here you see we have 1 over 2. We have to multiply with 3 over 5. So here you see in the numerator we will multiply to each other 1 into 3 over 2 into 5. So here you see 3 1 times 3 and 2 5 times 10. So it is 3 over 10. So if you have like this 6 over 5 into 10 over 3. This sort of we have. So what we will do, first we will see whatever we could simplify this up to some manner. 3 1 times, 3 2 times. In this way we could divide it 5 1 times and 5 2 times. So here we get finally 2 into 2 4, 2 into 2 4. So in this way you could multiply the fractions or the rational numbers. Now I explain you about the how we multiply the irrational numbers. If you have to multiply irrational numbers like root 2 into root 5, the radicals are same. Here is the also square root and there is also square roots. So we could multiply this. So it is, we could write in this way. So it is square root of 10. So in this way, if you have like this root 2 and cube root of 5, so it is very difficult to multiply this. We cannot multiply this in this manner whatever I explained earlier, but we could follow some other rules like this. So we will multiply in this manner: 2 power 1 by 2 into 5 power 1 by 3. Now whatever the radicals we have, we take the LCM of these two. So we take the LCM of 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. So we have to take the LCM of the denominator of these powers 2 and 3. We get the 6, 2 into 3, which is the 6. So for making these 6 2, we have to multiply 3. So I explain here: 2 to the power 1 by 2 into 3 into 3. Here also 5. Here 1 by 3, we have to make it 6. Sorry. So we have to multiply it by 2 and multiply by 2. Numerator also. Now I explain how we get the multiplication of this. So it is 2 power 3 over 6. Here you see 5 power 2 over 6. So what we will do here? So 2 power 3 into 5 power 2 and whole power 1 over 6. So now here you see 2 power 3, which is 8, and 5 power 2, which is 25, whole power 1 by 6. So 825 times we see it is 200 power 1 by 6. This would be the reply of this question.